Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a quiz on Thunkable. First, begin by creating a new project in Thunkable and select the blank canvas option. Next, drag and drop a label component onto your screen. This will display your quiz questions. Then, add 4 button components for your multiple choice answers. Finally, include one more button to serve as your submission button for each question. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth quiz experience. Now, let's focus on the visual appeal of your quiz. Customize each component's properties, such as text, font size, and background color, to match your desired aesthetic. Utilize row and column components to arrange your labels and buttons neatly, ensuring a clean and organized layout. A well-designed interface enhances the user experience, making your quiz both functional and engaging for everyone who plays. Next, we dive into the heart of your quiz, the logic. You'll need to create variables to hold your questions, correct answers, and the player's score. Use the When Screen Opens block to load and display the very first question. For each answer button, implement a When Button Click block. Inside these blocks, compare the selected answer to the correct one and update the score accordingly, perhaps adding 10 points for each correct response. Finally, let's manage question flow and the quiz's conclusion. Implement a function to advance to the next question after an answer is submitted, ensuring a smooth progression. Once all questions are answered, display the player's final score or a congratulatory message. Consider adding a Play Again button to reset the quiz. Remember to thoroughly test your quiz multiple times to catch any errors and ensure it works perfectly for all users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.